The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clinton County in south-central Illinois, southeastern Bond County in south-central Illinois, southeastern Madison County in southwestern Illinois, until 10:30 p.m. At 8:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm were located along the line extending from Highland to Trenton, moving east at 41 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted includes Chesterfield, O'Fallon, Hazelwood, Normandy, St. Charles, Shiloh, Nashville, Germantown, Hoffman, Carlisle, and Keysport. This includes the following highways. Interstate 48 in Illinois between exits 13 and 21. This also includes Ramsey Lake State Park, Confluence State Park, and First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Remember, if you hear a thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, St. Charles and St. Louis, and Madison County, Illinois.